So in this video we're going to unbox the Garmin Dash Cam 56. So it's got the usual Garmin colours, the white and the grey. I like this feature on most of the boxes. It gives you a nice little overview of what information it's got. Camera, so basically giving you all views of what the camera is going to look like, what the packaging contains. So the Dash Cam 56, so these record with the 1440p instead of the standard 1080p that a lot of the cameras have. It's got voice control, forward collision and lane departure alerts. These have a built-in HDR clarity sensor mode, which better for at night time, more better colours. These have red light and speed camera warnings, travel apps feature, GPS enabled. The 56 have a 140-degree wide field of view. USB port adapter is included. With the latest ones, the 46, 56 and 66Ws, you can also use the Drive app where you can connect 4 dash cams wirelessly through our auto sync feature, which is pretty cool. So also voice controlled, so basically you'll be able to say, okay Garmin, do something, and it's going to be able to do that, so such as saving a particular video or things like that. So let's get into it. So there she is, about the same size as the previous 55, 45, etc. So micro USB port, SD card slot, you got the buttons for go back, up, down, return, etc. We've got the magnetic suction mount part, which is good. Alright, so it comes with 2 USB cables. So we have a standard length USB cable and the extra long USB cable, which I guess is particularly important when it comes to dash cams because they're not right there close to your cigarette lighter. So we've got a spare magnet, got the dual USB charger. So the 56 come with this, the 46 don't. Has 2.4 amp total output for the 2 ports, so not enough to generally charge a phone or anything like that, but will do the job when you need it. And we have the manuals. So, do we really need these? Alright, so that's the unboxing. Hope you've enjoyed that. Keep watching. We'll do a review in the next few days after I've installed in the car, and show you some footage of what it looks like during the day and at night time, and we'll go from there. Thanks guys.